everyone and welcome. So as you can see, I am canning black-eyed peas. And I did put pieces of ham hock, cut up ham hock in here, which I cut the meat off the bone after basically parboiling it. And you can see, whoop, I just spilled it. You can see I have some pieces in here. And that's just mostly for flavor. Making a mess. I do have this at approximately 1 inch headspace in the jar. The water is brown. I will explain this. The water is brown because it's seasoned with some of this ham base. And I will bring you over here and show you. This is the black-eyed peas, the ham hock, the fat, the bone. So I basically cut it up and got as much meat off the bone as I could. And this is for flavoring. This will not go into my canning. And this is regular water that I seasoned with the ham base. And you can see some of the fat, but that's all right. That's from this. Like I said, it's for flavoring. These were soaked overnight. And then I brought them back up to a boil. And I boiled them for probably, I don't know, 5 minutes. It says 2, but I did 5. And then they've been sitting in this water, in the seasoned water. So that's what I have going on. I also heated the canner up already. And I have my hot jars, half full of water in the canner. And then I'll show you the next steps. Okay, and I also, if I can aim this down a little bit, I have a little bowl of white vinegar. And I'm going to clean my rim because this is greasy. You want to make sure the rim of your jar is clean. And there's no cracks or chips. I did rinse my lids. And then you want to tighten this fingertip tight. So there we go. You don't want to put too many beans because these are going to continue to swell in the canner. And I didn't have access to the rest of my wide mouth, so I am using some regular mouth as well. And I need to go to the store to buy more regular lids. I have 4 left, and I have 3 regular jars in here. So that will leave me with 1 regular lid left. Good Lord. I'm also putting about a cup of beans, about a level cup of beans in each jar. Then I'm just putting, depending on the sizes, a few pieces of the ham hock in here. Then I'm debubbling. I want my lid facing this way. Okay, and I'll bring y'all back when I'm finished. Okay, I had to switch out one of my jars because I realized one of my wide mouth has a crack in the top. Not on the rim, but a little bit further down, so I'm not using that one. So thank God I had that other regular lid left. One left. So I just put my last jar in here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 wide mouth and 4 regular mouth. If you put, in this canner, if you put wide mouth, it only holds 7. If you put regular mouth, it holds 8. So I managed to do 8 with doing both. So it's the same amount of time. So it says, I don't know if you can see that, it says fill jars, pressure can warm, fill jars. Done. Now it's going to heat up. So what I need to do, put my lid on, lock it down. My regulator is off until it tells me to put this on. I leave it off. So it shows here, so see if you can see that, 75 minutes, 4 pints. And I did 1 inch, where does it say it? 1 inch headspace. And I still have all of these. So I did a 2-pound bag of dry black-eyed peas. Plus I had a small bag of frozen that I added in there with it that needed to get used up. So it's probably 2.5 pounds, maybe. So I still have, see if I can get y'all down here. My tripod's janky. So I still have a little bit of peas left in here. I still have these pieces of the ham hock pieces left in here. And what I'm going to do, still need to put away my orange juice. I have a mess. My orange juice that I canned. If you want to go find that video and watch that, yes, you can can orange juice. So there's probably about a cup already in the pot. So I'm going to try to measure out. So that's 2. And we'll do this again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's a little left. Maybe 10 cups total. I'm just going to dump them all in there. Whatever's left I will cook up to eat for dinner. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more water in here, more ham base, and I'm just going to keep the rest of what was already in here in the pot. Okay, I put about 3 tablespoons of the ham base in here, which is like bouillon. I just want to give it more flavor because I will be adding these to like cornbread, ham hocks cornbread. And I put about 6 pints of water in here too. Then I'm going to put the lid on it, turn it on low, and let it warm up. And then I'll have my next canning session ready. So I'll bring y'all back when my canner goes to the next step. Put regulator on. So I'm going to hit the forward button. It's going to start canning. And Make sure it says can, which is right there. There it goes. Okay, 75 minutes plus the cool down, and we'll be back. I think it has 20-30 minute cool down after this 75 minutes. So we're going to be a while. Okay, I just pulled them out of the canner. There they are. And they all sealed already. So that's how you can black-eyed peas. And I have cornbread in the oven to go with these. And I still have a whole pot that I need to can. Oh my goodness. So, this is my timer for the cornbread, and it's not done yet. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. But, oh, I was going to say, see how much the beans swelled up? That's why you don't put over a cup at the very most of beans in your jar, in a pint jar. Because even though they'll settle, like that one back there is trying to settle, you still want to allow for the beans to be able to expand. So, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you like my content. Give me a thumbs up, and share this video out so somebody else can learn how to do this. So I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be blessed.